How to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to your Phantom Wallet safely and easily. So let's get started. First, open your Phantom Wallet on your phone. If you don't have one yet, you can install it from the official site. Now simply copy your Solana address from the Phantom Wallet. Next, open the Binance app or website and make sure you're logged in. Now, all you need to do is simply find the withdraw option. As you can see, I don't have any amount or funds, so I don't have the withdraw option. If you have it, simply tap on withdraw and simply choose Solana. Like for example, let's say this is withdraw, and all you need to do is simply search for Solana, and here you can find an option called or you can simply find the address. All you need to do is paste your Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field and make sure it's correct to avoid losing your funds. Just after you've done that, select the Solana network and it should be chosen by default when transferring as well. Just enter the amount, tap withdraw and complete the 2FA verification, and that's it. You've successfully transferred Solana from Binance to your Phantom.